Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-An'am, ayah number 50 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل لا أقول لكم عندي خزائن الله. قل قاف is heavy for the circle ellipse attached lam lam will get sifa of tawassut. قل لا. This is mad munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp. Sharp sound means there is no flow of sound. It cut off. And the makhraj cuts the sound off. A. Qu. Qaf is heavy for the circle ellipse. Make it 2 counts long. Lu. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. La. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum. For the circle ellipse attached meme, you will get sifa of tawasud and hukmuhu idhar. Ayn from your throat. For kasra give E sound, and this ikhfa is from, and this ikhfa is light because dal is among light letters. So keep your tongue straight to pronounce this ikhfa. You're hiding the sound of noon. You're going to get your mouth ready to say dal, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. D 2 counts long. Kho is heavy for fatha open jaws. Za mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. E for kasra, give E sound. No, keep noon light. For Dhamma circular ellipse attached with lafz jilala, lafz jilala will be heavy because there is Dhamma before it. Nullah, and lafz jilala is always 2 counts long. He for kasra give E sound, make ha light. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha upon jaws. La mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with ayn. Ayn will get sifa of tawassut. Ayn should be from your throat. La for fatha upon jaws. Mul for thamma circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ghoy. Ghoyn is musta'aliya and munfatiha. And this ya is yailin. So when you're attaching this first with ya, you are making it soft. Ghaiba, fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. La mad munfasil jaiz. A very sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Qaf, make sure you keep qaf heavy for dhamma, circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. This long vowel should not go into your nose. Lu for dhamma, circle ellipse. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum for dhamma, circle ellipse attached meme, you will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. In Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give E sound attached noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni 2 counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws and then attach it kaf. Because of this work, we are giving sakun here, and this sakun will bring humps on kaf. Malak, malak. In Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give E soft attached noon will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. At Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta is sharp too. Sharp sound means there is no flow of sound. At ta for fatha upon jaws. B for kasra, give E sound. U ayn from your throat for dhamma, circle ellipse. The sound is short. Il Hamza is very sharp for kasra, give E sound attached with no. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La 2 counts long. Ma make sure long sounds are not going into your nose. You for dhamma, circle ellipse, and keep ya light and soft and make it 2 counts long. You Ha. Give hamza in ha on ha and make it four counts long because this is munfasil jaiz. Ha. E. Hamza is very sharp. Lay. For fatha open jaws attached with ya. Here you are applying number and plus. There is rakhawa on ya because ya is a rakhawa letter. Lay. And you are keeping this the shidda of the the shiddat of this tashdid there, even if it is with waqf. Okay. إلي إلي قل قاف is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. هل for fatha upon jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Yes, for fatha upon jaws attached with seen will get sifa of rakhawa. You're not pressing hard on seen when you're attaching ya with seen. Yes, let it flow nicely. Yes, the Prophet open just will percussion give e sound attached with lam will get sip of tawasut. Ah, Hamza is very sharp. Prophet open just attached with the ain will get sip of tawasut, and ain should be from your throat nicely. Ma, two counts long, and this long sound should not go into your nose. Well, makhraj of our circle in your lips. Prophet open just attached with lam will get sip of tawasut. Ba, Ba is light for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Sleer. Swad is heavy. And because of this waqf, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned these two counts long all into four. And this is madarat lil sukoon and keeps swad heavy. Basir. And ra will be light because there is ya before it. Hamza is sharp with open jaws. Sharp sound means there is no flow of sound. Give hams in fa for open jaws. La, two counts long. Ta, very sharp sounds. No flow of sound. Fakka, fa, give hams in fa for open jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of shitta. Fakka, roon. Ra will be heavy because there is dam on it. You're not bring keeping the sound in your nose at all when you are making sounds long. And because of this buff, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long all into four. This is madarat this sukoon. قل لا أقول لكم عندي خزائن الله أعلم ولا أعلم الغيب ولا أقول لكم إني ملك إن أتبع إلا ما يوحى إلي قل هل يستوي الأعمى والبصير أفلا تتفكرون ومخرج pause circling your lips put up on just Hamza is very sharp. This ikhfa is light, so keep this sound in your nose for a longer time. And light for light ikhfa, you are keeping the tongue straight. وأنذر for kasra e sound attached with ra will be light because there is kasra before it, and ra will get the wasut. Dir, B for kasra give E sound. Heal for kasra give E sound attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha upon jaws. The, make sure you're giving zab on dal. Make it two counts long. Na for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Ya, keep ya soft. Your tongue is lifting up towards palate, but it is not touching. This is the makhraj of ya. Ya, kha. Kha is musta'aliya. This is heavy letter with infitah. So there is no isbaq. Yeah. Ha, ha, 2 counts long. Foo for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Long vowels are not going into your nose. Na for fatha on jaws. I. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time and keep the sharpness there on hamza as well. I, a, I, for Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with ha will get sifa for khawa and hams. You sha for fatha upon jaws. Ru for Dhamma, circle ellipse make it 4 counts long. This is mad munfasil jaiz and long vowel should not go into your nose. Ru e for kasra give e sound. La 2 counts long and make lam light. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. Rab, ba will get a sifa of shidda. It has no flow of sound. B for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with no mim. Mim will get sifa of tawassut. Lay. This is yailin, so make it soft. Laysa for fatha upon jaws. La for fatha upon jaws. Hum, idgham shafawi. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Meow. For kasra give e sound, and then there is ikhfa, which is light. So keep the tongue straight and go towards the makhraj of dal. Hide the sound of noon and keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Meow. Do for the circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. He 2 counts long. مخرج of واو circling your lips of fatha open jaws li for kasra give e sound attached ya ya will get sifa of number and sifa of rakhawa so you are mm, um, keeping the flow of ya nicely. Wali, yun. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa, and then for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. She, for fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Fi, give hums and fa, make it 2 counts long. Rul, ayn from your throat. And for Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, for fatha upon jaws. Al, I'm from your throat attached with lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, with fatha the sound is short. Hum, for Dhamma, circle ellipse attached with meme. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. Ayat, keep ya soft. The makhraj of ya is lifting your tongue up towards palate, but it is not touching. This is ya, so ya is soft and attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of shitta. No flow of sound here. Yatta for fatha upon jaws. Un. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad aratless sukun. وأنذر به الذين يخافون أن يحشروا إلى ربهم ليس لهم من دونه ولي ولا شفيع ليس لهم من دونه ولي ولا شفيع لعلهم يتقون ومخرج الفراو circling your lips for top and jaws لا 2 counts long تاق ta is light this qa is heavy تاق be very careful about saying it. This qa should be heavy and it should have a nice qalqala. Taq ru ra is heavy for dhamma circle ellipse. The sound is short. Dil, for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip of tawassut. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The gives the ba and zal, for kasra give E sound and make it 2 counts long. The, na, for fatha open jaws. Yad, keep ya light, for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sip of qalqala. And qalqala should be heard very nicely. Yad, ru, ru, ain from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. And this 2 counts long vowel should not go into your nose. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Roab, ra is heavy. For fatha open jaws, attached with ba, ba will get sifa of shidda. Wab, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hum, إخفاء شفوي. This إخفاء شفوي will bring sound in your nose. Hum bil for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Gha, ghain is heavy for fatha open jaws with infitah. Gada, 2 counts long. T for kasra give E sound. Well, مخرج الطاء circling your lips ففتحة open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Ain from your throat ففتحة open jaws. She, this has nabar and it has a rokhawa in it. She, you, for the circle lips. The sound is short. Ri, 2 counts long. Do, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na, fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Waji, makhraj of our circling your lips, fatha open jaws, attaches jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala has not only the touch, but it has a very nice sound. The sound of parting the makhraj. Waji, ha. For fatha open jaws attached with ha. This second ha will get for a qawa. Ma, 2 counts long. Make sure you're not keeping it in your nose when you make it long. Ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws. Lay, this is yailin. When you are attaching this fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Ilayka, for fatha open jaws. Min, for kasra give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifaf tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Hey, for ha has hums for kasra give E sound. And the sound is short. Sa, 2 counts long. B, for kasra give E sound. Him. This is idgham shafawi. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Him. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so your tongue should be in a straight position. You're hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of sheen. And you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Shay. This is a lean, lean, so you're making it soft. Shay, idgham with gunna. Wa, makhraj of power circle in your lips. Ma, 2 counts long. Min, for kasra give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassul and hukmuhu idhar. Hay, give hams in ha, for kasra give E sound. Sa, 2 counts long. B, for kasra give E sound. Ka, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws. Lay, yailin, make it soft. Him, idgham shafawi. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mia, ikhfa, light ikhfa, so keep your tongue straight. Shay, this is lean, so make it soft. Ian, this ikhfa is light because fa is among light letters. So keep your mouth ready to say the letter fa. If, give hums in fa for fatha open jaws. Taqo, ta is light, but to is heavy, and to has qalqala. Taqo, ra is heavy for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Da, for fatha open jaws. For the circle ellipse attached with mim, will get sip of the wasut. Fa, give hums on fa, for fatha open jaws. Ta, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short and sharp. Ku, For the circle lips and make it two counts long. Na, Papa top on your jaws, the sound is short. Me, focus again, E sound. Now, keep noon light, but the will be heavy, and the will have rakhawa. Now, now, two counts long. Li, focus give E sound. Mean. Because of this buff, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat sukoon. ولا تقعد الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ما عليك من حسابهم من شيء وما من حسابك عليهم من شيء فتطردهم فتكون من الظالمين فتكون من الظالمين سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته